If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in laser blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, off-road suspension, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 6,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7387.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.